Hello guys, our topic for today is Motor Control 101 with multiple start-stop circuit. A multiple start-stop circuit is needed and very important, especially in the plant that is very large area, such as long conveyor with hundreds of feet long. It is not safe and convenient and time-consuming if we only use one start-stop button. To make the system more safe and convenient, pause button can be installed in every operator system. Let's do it and help me out. We will do our lockout tagout. To make us safe. Off. Okay, next we're going to connect auxiliary contact, and I'm going to show you how to put auxiliary contact. We have two auxiliary contact here. First this one. See this down wheel here? I'm going to put it here. Now it's locked. The next one, to remove this auxiliary contact, you just press this dowel also. To put it, just put this two in here. Let's do it. Now it's locked. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do, we're going to follow this schematic diagram. Anyway, I put marking to make it easier for me to wire. You see this one, line 1. I put this terminal block 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we already have supply from our 24 volts power supply going to our terminal block. So this one. So from line 1 here going to our stop pause button here. Out of the stop pause button, going to remote stop pause button. The remote stop pause button is here. I already wire. For the stop, 1 and 2. For the start, 3 and 4. So I will going to connect to 1. I will just use wire nut to join it. From our 2 going to our start button is going here. Put the wire nut again. Going to our start button. From our start button, going to our A1 of our relay of the magnetic contactor. Here. Up A2 is going to overload relay. Overload relay normally close here. NC, and from NC going to line 4, going to here. Now we're going to try if it works, because it's already complete circuit from line 1 going to line 2 for the first rung. Let's try to start if this motor will run. Okay, it's run, but we don't have yet a latching circuit. And for the other start button, you are going to connect to 4. Okay, now let's try if it will start here. Okay, this one is already done. What we need is, we just need a auxiliary contact, the latching contact. This is normally open. Okay, we still need one here, going to normally open of our magnetic contactor. The open is here. This time, it should latch. When you are going to push it here, the start button, you can press here the stop button. That is multiple start stop. If I'm going to press the start here, I can stop it here. So even though when you are 100 feet away, you can still start. See this one? You go to the other location, stop it. So that is multiple start, stop. Now the next one is, we're going to connect the indication light from line 1 going to the normally open. From normally open, going to our lights, start, and from lights going to line 4 here. When I'm going to start, this indication light for run button should light. Okay, when we're going to stop, it should stop. It should go away. Okay. Next is, we're going to connect normally close for our stop indication light. From line 1, going to our normally close. From our normally close, going to lights. lights from our tube lights going to 4. Tube lights going to 4. Here. Okay, when I'm going to start, this one should go away. When I'm going to stop, start, stop. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Our topic for today, what is a relay and how does it work? A relay is an electrically operated switch used to isolate circuits, switch between circuits, and control a high-power circuit with a low-power signal. We have two common types of relays, an electromechanical relays and solid-state relay. An electromechanical relay has a coil and mechanically operated contact, while solid-state relay consists of semiconductor components rather than electromechanical contact. In this example, the initial condition of the circuit while the switch number 1 is open, relay is not energized and the electric motor is not running. What will happen if we are going to close the number 1 switch? The current flows from 24-volt supply battery through number 1 switch, through number 2 magnetic coil, and energizing the magnetic relay. Once the magnetic relay energizes, the number 3 single pole double through or SPDT contact change its state from 11 to 12 through 11 to 14. And the current from number 4 power voltage 230 volts flows through close contact number 5 motor, and the motor will run and the current flows back to power supply. Now let's do our practical exercise. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to wire a relay that can control a big motor. Let's do it. From the positive of our power supply, we're going to connect it here. Positive of our power supply, going to our switch, going to coil of a relay A1. From A1, from A2 of the relay, going back to the negative of the power supply. Now let's try if this relay will plug in. It works. From the positive of our power supply, we're going to connect another supply, going to the normally open of our relay. From another side of the normally open of the relay, going to the coil of the magnetic contactor. From A2 of our magnetic contactor coil, going back to our negative of our power supply. In this scenario guys, I didn't plug in yet the motor, but anyway, I already connected the power circuit of the motor. When I'm going to press this one should plug in. Doesn't run yet because I didn't plug in yet the power supply. Let's try. Okay, both of them is plugged in. The relay energized and the contactor energized. Once I plug in the power source of the motor should run. Now I already plugged in the motor. Let's try if it works. It works, guys. So this is a relay, how to control a big motor using contactor and power supply. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.